Alright, we're at 8401 Palm. This one was a real chore. We first went to the floor clean out over here. Could only get in about 6 inches. I had to drill through the plug, capped it with a plastic. And this cast iron over here, I don't think that's been off since 1955. Had to drill through it, hammered and chiseled on it for about 20 minutes. Broke the tip off of my step drill bit, and finally we had success. So we're going to get in here and see what we can find now. Drill that out and we're in. We're starting to see some pooling water here. That's solids along the bottom, causing the water not to drain. 13 feet out. Little tree roots at this time. So you kind of see how the water ripples along the bottom. That's from buildup. And 3 and 9 position are approximately where the water line is. It's signifying high water, lack of drainage. There we got a solid along the bottom, probably a hairball from the smell of cat odor in this place. So yeah, we're all the way underwater now, 32 feet. A little low spot there from that hairball, causing the water not to drain all the way. Here we got some solids along the right and left side, obstructing the flow. So at 36 feet we've got some solids on right side and left obstructing flow, probably about 30% blockage here. Whatever that was, I just knocked it loose. See that floaty there? See if we can get ahead of that. So the line's kind of changed to a pink color now, as you can see. This is more of a clay material here from cast iron originally. And there's a lot of scale on the lines here. Water's still getting by, but we got a lot of blockages along the way here. Solids along the bottom, build up. There we go. It's probably blocked. Let's clean the camera off there. About 40% right here. 50 feet out, we have a blockage. About 40% of the capacity is obstructed, the flow. And lots of rapids column here. See all along the bottom, all the water rippling, blockages, solids built up. Needs a cleaning for sure here. So right here, 77 feet, you can see it's going down right here. We're looking over the edge right here into the municipal connection. So we'll pull back from here and continue to inspect and record.